Hello everybody, welcome to Forex Raja. We will do analysis for 10th August. Yesterday I had given analysis for 9th August. Even though today is an Indian holiday, I had given analysis for people to learn and track the levels that I had suggested. And accordingly, the levels are behaving the same way. For tomorrow's trade, our key level, breakout level will be here, which is 96.47. If we are able to cross 96.47, the upside target is clearly 97. If we break this channel of 96 now, 96, if the channel breaks on the downside, the first target will be 95.60. So these are the two levels to watch. Today the trade should be in this level. After the US data, after 6 p.m, we have to see if this channel is broken on the upside or downside, and we can take a call. Tomorrow, if the opening is somewhere here between 90, is in this range only between 96 and 96.3 or 96.2, then we will wait and watch for some time to see which side the trade is going, and I will be giving buy or sell recommendations in my premium and VIP groups. You can join our Telegram channel. The link for Telegram channel is given in the description. You can join our Telegram channel and know more about our premium and VIP services that we provide. So for tomorrow, clearly the two levels I am going to be watching is this, and on top side it is 96.47, and on the bottom side it is 96. So in between, if it is trading, then we'll give the trading calls. But above 96.47, it is sure a breakout to 97 and above. Below 96, it will go to 95.60. This is the levels that we will track for tomorrow's trade. Let's see how the trade goes. Happy trading to everybody.